Have you ever wondered what life might be like if you were an ant? Imagine seeing the world from such a small perspective, where a single leaf could serve as your shelter and a drop of water could quench your thirst for an entire day. Today, we journey into the heart of a vibrant forest, a place teeming with life and bustling with activity. It's here that we meet a family of squirrels. Their coats are a mix of brown and grey, their eyes filled with worry as they gaze at the encroaching winter sky. Food is scarce and survival is a challenge. Enter Andy, a young and determined ant. Despite his size, Andy doesn't see obstacles, he sees opportunities. As he stands amidst the fallen leaves, a plan forms in his mind. He's ready to embark on a grand adventure, an adventure to help the squirrels. With an unwavering spirit, Andy begins his mission. He climbs the towering trees, his tiny legs moving with swift determination. He's a tiny speck against the vast wilderness, but his enthusiasm and energy are palpable. It's a testament to the fact that size doesn't determine one's capacity to make a difference. Soon, Andy and the squirrels begin working together. Their teamwork is a sight to behold as they form a makeshift assembly line. Andy collects the nuts, and the squirrels gather them on the ground. Each member contributes to the task with diligence and cooperation, turning a daunting task into an achievable goal. As the sun sets, casting a warm glow over the forest, they stand together. Surrounded by the fruits of their labor, their faces are lit up with satisfaction and gratitude. They've achieved what seemed impossible, proving that unity and cooperation can overcome the toughest of challenges. Word of their efforts spreads throughout the forest. Birds, rabbits, deer, and other animals gather around Andy and the squirrels, their eyes shining with admiration and respect. It's a beautiful scene that showcases the unity and harmony that can be fostered through acts of kindness and teamwork. As our story comes to an end, Andy and the squirrels bid each other farewell. They part ways, their hearts filled with fond memories and the knowledge that they've made a positive impact on each other's lives. So, the next time you see an ant, remember Andy. Remember that no matter how small you may feel, you have the potential to make a big difference. Remember that teamwork can turn the impossible into the possible. And most importantly, remember that kindness and cooperation are the keys to harmony and unity. This is the story of Andy the ant and his forest friends. A tale of courage, unity, and the power of teamwork. A reminder that no matter who we are or where we come from, we all have a role to play in the grand scheme of things.